Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. In this lesson, we will build an intuitive visual understanding of common Agile and Lean metrics: velocity, cycle time, lead time, throughput, defect density, escape defects, and also process cycle efficiency and other Lean flow measures. Throughout the video, I will keep labels aligned and consistent, so everything is easy to read. First, velocity. Velocity is how many story points the team completes in a sprint, meaning the sum of points for items that truly meet the definition of done at the end of the sprint. We use velocity to forecast the next sprint's capacity. Here we visualize 3 sprints and their completed points. The formula is the sum of story points for done items per sprint. With multiple sprints, teams often use the average velocity for planning. Next, cycle time and lead time. Lead time starts when a request is ready for development and stops when it is done. Cycle time starts when the team actually begins work and stops when it is done. Let's draw a simple board and one card moving through it. We will mark lead time and cycle time on the same timeline to compare. Throughput counts how many items are completed per period, like per sprint or per week. Unlike velocity, throughput is a simple count of items and does not require story points. Defect density is the number of defects per size of work delivered. We compute defects divided by delivered size, such as defects per 1,000 lines of code or per story point. A quick visual: think of a delivered block and the defects sprinkled within it. Escape defects are the bugs that reach customers in production. We simply count those production-reported defects per release or sprint and aim to drive this number down. Now, Lean metrics. Process cycle efficiency is the percentage of total lead time, that is value-added work. Value-added time divided by total lead time, multiplied by 100%. Here is one timeline bar split into value-added work and waiting time. Value-added ratio is similar, but compares the number of value-adding steps to the total number of steps. Value-adding steps over total steps times 100%. Visually, we mark green steps as value-adding and gray steps as non-value. Work in process is how many items have been started but not yet finished. On a board, this is the count in the in-progress column. High WIP often leads to longer cycle times and more context switching. Takt time is the pace needed to meet demand. It equals available production time divided by customer demand. For example, 480 minutes available and 60 items of demand gives 8 minutes per item. First time quality is the percentage of items completed with no rework or defects. It is items done right the first time divided by total completed items times 100%. We will show 5 items with 1 needing rework. That is 4 out of 5, or 80%. As promised, I kept titles, formulas, and diagram labels aligned and consistent to avoid misaligned lines. This makes each metric easy to scan and compare at a glance. Quick summary: velocity and throughput help with planning. Cycle time and lead time help expose bottlenecks and improve flow. Defect density, escape defects, and first-time quality measure product quality. Process cycle efficiency and related Lean metrics help reduce waiting and waste. Thank you for learning with me. I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert.